Have you ever had an old photo that looked way too blurry? Or a low resolution photo that need to be upscaled? Or maybe a black and white photo you wished had color? Well, today I'm going to show you an AI power tool that can completely fix that. It's called Colorizing Photo Enhancer. Whether it's enhancing low quality picture or colorize old black and white memories, this software does it all automatically and with just a few clicks. So let's see what it can really do. First thing first, download and install the software. The link is on the video description, click on it and you will land on this page. Now hit the download button, install it just like any other app and you are good to go. I have already installed it, so let's open it up. This is the interface, clean, modern and super beginner friendly. Right at the start, you will see the file repair section. It lets you fix corrupted photos, videos, documents and even audio files. A real lifesaver when something won't open or play properly. Now on the left, let's head over to the AI Enhancer section. Here you will find two options on the left side, Video Enhancer and Colorize Video. Yes, you can actually enhance your low quality videos up to Ultra HD 4K. Just upload your video, choose your preferred quality setting and let the AI do its job. And you can also colorize black and white videos. Now let's move to the photo enhancement on the right side, which is what we will explain in more details. Click on Enhance Photo Quality on the right side. Now just upload your image. That's very easy. And I am using a blurry and pixelated photo and the resolution of this picture is very low. You can clearly see the lack of details. On the right, you will see three AI models. General model, it's perfect for landscape, buildings, animals, improves color, sharpness and clarity. Then the denoise model fixes low light photos and reduces noise. And the last one, face model, works best for portraits, enhancing facial features and skin. For this image, I will go with the general mode. Now let's upscale it. I'm setting it to 4x resolution. You can set the resolution manually here too. And selecting quality first for the best output. And now just click Start Enhancing. And boom, it's done. Here is the before and after. You can see the difference. The improvement is insane. All the lost details are restored and the colors are very much more vibrant. That's really impressive. If you're happy with the result, just hit export, choose a folder and you are done. Let's try this with a portrait now. You can see this picture is also blurry and not well focused. And for this time, I'm selecting the face model as it is a portrait, setting resolution again to 4x and going with quality fast. Now just click Enhance and wait a few seconds. And here is the result. It fixed the skin tones, sharpened the details, look at the eyes, look at the before and after. The eyes are looking really great, sharper and vibrant. And now it looks really professional. Now let's bring some color into an old black and white photo. So to colorize photo, you just need to click on Colorize Photo option, then upload your image. By the way, you can double click the image and you will get access to sliders like brightness, contrast, saturation and temperature and others. That's great for tweaking before enhancement. And select the model. For this photo, I'm going with the general AI model. You can also set the resolution here. Once you are ready, click Enhance. And check that out. The AI added color beautifully and it still feels natural and accurate. Look at the difference. This was the before and this is after. It looks really great. So that's how easy it is to enhance, upscale and colorize both photos and videos using Colorizing Photo Enhancer. I love how simple and accurate it is, whether it's fixing blurry photos, colorize old photos and making your videos more professional. This software can handle it like a pro. If you want to try it yourself, the download link is in the video description, totally worth checking out. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.